Hi, I'm Dr. Alyssa, a naturopathic doctor. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at black chia seeds, a nutrient-dense superfood with remarkable benefits for digestion, metabolic support, and heart health. So if you are dealing with sluggish digestion, low fiber, or blood sugar swings, then this is one to consider. Let's start with what it is. Black chia seeds come from Salvia hispanica, a plant native to Central America. They're rich in omega-3s as well as fiber, having 10 grams of fiber per ounce. They're also rich in plant-based proteins, antioxidants, and essential minerals like calcium and magnesium. Now let's talk about how they work. Chia seeds can absorb 10 to 12 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like consistency. This has three big effects. Number one is that it promotes a feeling of fullness, which is great for appetite control. Number two is that it slows digestion, which is great for blood sugar control. And number three is that it acts like a natural broom for your digestive tract. Chia seeds also deliver ALA omega-3s, which are plant-based healthy fats that help to support brain and heart health. Chia seeds are great for anyone experiencing constipation or irregularity, also on a high fiber diet, also those managing cholesterol or blood sugar, as well as busy people looking for quick nutrient-dense foods. They're especially loved by vegans and athletes because they're a shelf-stable form of protein. Now let's talk about how to take it. A great starting point is 1 to 2 tablespoons taken daily. You can soak them in water, or you can add them to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. Now, pro tip is soaking them for longer will help to release their nutrients and prevent digestive discomfort. Now, a note on safety. Chia seeds are generally safe and well tolerated, but make sure to soak them first as the dry seeds can expand in the throat, leading to a choking risk. And if you're new to high fiber foods, make sure to start slowly. If you're on any blood thinners or any other medication, then make sure to check with your healthcare practitioner first. Black chia seeds are tiny but mighty. They deliver big-time benefits for digestion, blood sugar regulation, and energy, all with just a spoonful. So if you want a simple way to add fiber or omega-3s to your diet, then chia seeds are a great place to start. If you've tried them before, please let me know in the comments, and if you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.